Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 square roots and cube roots. First of all, what is the meaning of square? A square of a number is that number raised to the power 2. What is the square means? A square of a number is that number raised to the power 2. Now see its example, Nana. The square of 5. The square of 5, that is equals to what, Nana? 5 square means 5 into 5, that is equals to 25. Okay, so like that only the square of 2 by 3, the square of 2 by 3 means that is 2 by 3 raised to the power 2. So that is equals to 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So that is equals to what, Nana? 2 2s are 4, numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 3 3s are 9. Okay, so like this you can write the square numbers. Now you see one more 0.2, the square of third one, the square of 0.2 means that is 0.2 raised to the power 2 means what, Nana? That is 0.2 into 0.2 is equals to 0.04. Okay, so like this, squares means a square of a number is that number raised to the power 2. These are the examples. Okay. Next one, perfect squares. What, Nana? Perfect squares. Okay. A natural number is considered as a perfect square if it is the square of other natural number. Is it clear, students? What is the perfect square statement? A natural number is considered as a perfect square if it is the square of other natural number. Okay, now see its examples, Nana. Examples. I am taking a natural number is 1. Okay, it is the square of other natural number means 1 square. Okay, now 4 is a perfect square. 1 is a perfect square number. It is the square of 1 square. 4 is a perfect square number. It is the square of other natural number. 9 is a perfect square number. Okay, then it is the square of the other natural number. 16 is the perfect square number. It is the square of the other natural number. Okay, next like that only 25 is the perfect square number. It is the square of the other natural number. So like that we can write 100 is a perfect square number, it is the square of 10. So according to definition, a natural number, clearly 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 100, these all are natural numbers. A natural number is considered as a perfect square if it is the square of the other natural number. Means 2 square, 1 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 10 square, like that. Okay students? Pause. Okay students, now next one is some properties of squares of numbers. Okay, in that first one, the square of a the square of an even number is always an even number. Okay students, what is the first one? First property of a square, the square of an even number is always an even number. Now see example now. First one, 2 is a even. Yes or no?
Yes.
2 is a even. What is its square? That is 2 square. That is equals to what? No, 4. Then 4 also even. So 2 is a even number. Its square, 2 square means 4. This is also even. Like that only 8. 8 is an even. Okay. Then its square, that is 8 square. That is equals to what? No, 64. And it is also 64 also even. So now the statement what? No, the square of an even number is always an even number. Okay. Now next one.
Continue చేయొచ్చు.
Now next one, second property, the square of an odd number, the square of an odd number is always an odd number. Okay na students, the square of an odd number is always an odd number. Now see its example now. We know 3 is a odd number. Okay na, 3 is a odd number. Its square means, that is 3 square is equals to what? 9. 9 also odd number. Yes or no? 9 also odd number. Like that only 7 is a odd number. Okay, its square, that is 7 whole square means what? 49. 49 also odd number. So we can say that the square of an odd number is always an odd number. Okay, now next third one is the square of a proper fraction is less than the proper fraction. Okay students, what is the statement here? The square of a proper fraction is less than the proper fraction. See now example, proper fraction ante we know the numerator of a fraction is less than its denominator. Ante numerator is small number, denominator is big number. Now see everyone, 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. Yes. What is its square, Nana? Its square is 2 by 3 whole square. Means that is 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. That is equals to numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 2 2s are 4 by 3 3s are what, Nana? 9. So according to this statement, 4 by 9 is less than 2 by 3. Ante which one is the greatest one? 4 by 9 is the greatest one. 2 by 3 is the greatest one. Means according to this statement, 4 by 9 kante 2 by 3 ne bigger. Okay na? The square of a proper fraction is less than the proper fraction. So idi ela ante I want to say something for you. See now, 4 by 9, 2 by 3. What I am doing here, okay, what I am doing, I am multiplying the numerator and denominator of the first fraction. Okay, I am multiplying the numerator and denominator of the first fraction with the second fraction denominator. What is that one? 3. Then what I am getting? 4 3s are 12 by 9 3s are 27. Next I am taking the second fraction. What is the second fraction? That is 2 by 3. This time I am multiplying the numerator and the denominator of the second fraction with the first fraction denominator. What is that one? 9. So into 9 into 9. So that is equals to what, Nana? 2 9s are 18 by 3 9s are 27. Now clearly you observe, children, what I am getting here? 12 by 27. What I am getting here? 18 by 27. Clearly denominator 27 27 and same denominators and like fractions. Denominators same ఉన్నాయి. So you just compare the numerators. Which one is the greatest one? 12 or 18? 18. So that's why 18 by 27 is the biggest one. So 18 by 27 and what is its corresponding fraction? That is 2 by 3. Is it clear for you? Okay. How many minutes?
12.
A number ending in 2 3 7 or 8. A number ending with in 2 3 7 8, never a perfect square. Never a perfect square. Okay na students? For example, 23. Okay, 497, 968, 512. Clearly these all numbers are end with what, Nana? 23 end with 3. Okay, and 497 end with 7, 968 end with 8, 512 end with 2. So a number ending in 2 3 7 8 never a perfect square. Ante okay students, so a number ending in 2 3 7 8 never a perfect square. Ante ones place lo ee digits raavaddu. 2 3 7 8 they are not perfect square always. Next, one more important one, ending in odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros is never perfect square. A number ending in odd number of zeros is never perfect square. Means example is 1000. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So that's why 1000 is not a perfect square. Okay na? Next, 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Odd number of zeros. So that's why it is not a perfect square. So these are the some properties of square numbers, Nana. So thank you, students.